Oh, good morning everyone. It is Dane back from TV's on Tour, and it is currently 5 AM, but we are on our way to Stockton. Well, we will be in a minute. Just pulling up at the servo now, local servo, to get a Red Bull and some ice for the esky, and we'll be going. It is pretty nice. Look at that. So we're currently we just clicked over to 8,000 Ks as we've hit the high. Yeah, I love focusing. 8,000 Ks as we've just hit the highway, so we'll see how many Ks we end up doing this trip, but yeah, we're going to Stockton Beach. We haven't been there since Andy's GQ, so I'm dark. So I'm pretty excited, especially to have my own car as well. I know it's not the Patrol, like I'd love to have the Patrol on the beach, but unfortunately, we don't. Why aren't you focusing? Yeah, unfortunately we don't, but that's alright, it'll still be good. We're gonna camp there. We have made it, we did try to make a booking, but it didn't really work, so we're gonna see if we can just turn up and camp. We'll see what happens. I think you have to book, so it may be a day trip, it may not be. We'll see. You'll see if we're camping or not by the end of the video. But check this out. How nice is that? Lake George. We'll stop on the way and we'll get some shots of the cars. Nathan's in his Tb48. Nathan's in his Tb48 GU. Supercharged. We got a cool car. There was meant to be more of us going, like around 5 or 6 people, but you already know the story. Andy couldn't make it because his car, he couldn't get the GQ ready in time. It's running and going good, but he couldn't get the other stuff, the rego and everything else sorted in time. Said they couldn't come after having this organised for over a month, but it is what it is, I guess. The real ones stick around. Holy shit, look at that. That is crazy. Lake George, you are setting it off. And we're in the North Connex now. It's been a while. I was going to film more on the way, but oh my god, the Sydney traffic is shocking. But we're about 2 hours away now. Oh, it's not loading, not focusing. Yeah, we're about 2 hours away, so we're getting there. We're making it through it. For anyone wondering, that's where we are, at the end of the Mooney Bridge. Damn it, he's leaving with our caravans. Car's going great. I've used about almost half a tank of fuel and about over 300 Ks so far. I'm on half a tank. You're on half a tank now, yeah. But yeah, both cars are going good. It's actually pretty cool. This is the first time we've actually left properly, like gone on the Pacific Highway with both cars. We're heading towards Stockton.
Ooh, yeah.
That's a clean 80, holy shit. Yeah, we're going into that toilet. If anybody needs to go in this toilet, I recommend not going in it. There's literal shit on the wall.
Literal shit. That's pretty.
Yeah. He didn't believe me until you go in there and there's legit shit on the wall.
Literally shit.
Somebody's just gave up and just went for the wall. But anyway, we'll keep going. So if anybody wants to know, this is the BP we always go to get the pass, and we have the pass. It's a minimum 3-day pass now, but I'm so excited we're here. We're bloody here. Oh, it feels so surreal, eh? Both cars here. Got some more fuel, so off we go. Here we are, back at damn Stockton. Holy Jesus, look at the sand. Oh, I'm so pumped up right now. You wouldn't believe it, it's windy. The rigs. Oh my god. So the drive took us from Canberra about 5.5 hours, I think, with the traffic. Traffic was alright. It wasn't as bad as what we thought. It is Friday today, so it's still heaps of people are still working, but yeah, no, it was good. God, look at the rigs lined up. Eat some food, bought 2 Chico rolls, so that will be my quick lunch, and then yeah, we're camping I think in like the purple area or the green area. We'll have to see, we'll have to suss it all out. We'll probably end up camping somewhere wrong and get in trouble, but well, it's part of it, I guess. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's gonna be fun. Crazy, there are camels down there. We're not focusing. Look at the camels. Can't zoom in anymore. Huh. Yeah, surreal. Both cars made it. We got fuel just at Anna Bay BP. That's also where you buy the permits from, which it's a 3-day permit, I think I mentioned. And then the camping, to book the camping, it's all online, so. Going down to 15 PSI again. See how these all go. Spin them all on. Set and forget. Quickly, spin it all on. Oh. Set and forget. Nathan bought a set as well. Set and forget. There we go. Both sitting down to 15 PSI. We've got max tracks in the back and recovery gear, so we're sweet. Pretty much all you need on here. Look at that. I don't know what I did with my phone. Holy shit. The entrance. Oh yeah. So we're at the far side at the moment, so all the fun dunes are on the opposite side, which we're going to go to now. Holy crap, this is insane. Oh, it's so good to have my own car on the beach. This Hilux is going really well too. I thought it'd be a bit sluggish, but put it in sport mode or Triptronic mode. It's just, yeah, it's not lacking power. Nathan's back there. Woohoo! I was hoping Nathan would come in front of me. Wait up, I got little legs. Oh, this is crazy! Nathan got a bit stuck. There he goes. Oh, this is way too much fun. Insane. Somebody's a little bit stuck. What happened? The sand's surprisingly hard. Can you go backwards? Really? Does that fall low? Keep going. Now go forward that way, second. Keep going. That way. That way. That way. Oh, he's not. That's what happens when you get a bit cocky. Oh, this is where we've been stuffing around for the last like 20 minutes. We got stuck up there. Stuck up the dunes, as you can see over there. There's Nathan. Oh god. Look at the ruts he left. Oh, it's nice and cool on my feet. Oh, there's some decent ruts. Look at the Hilux just chilling. I did get stuck in it once, which was going up the hill. I feel bad for my car, but it's part of the fun. All the cross tracks. So we're going out in the entrance here. We're going to sit in the shade for a bit because there's no real shade out here. So we just want to chill, let the cars relax for a bit. Not that anything's overheating or anything, but I'd rather not get to that point. Oh, this has been crazy so far. Like literally. I think this is the exit. Oh, this is one entrance, but we've never been down this way. Oh shit. Oh yeah, there's people's houses. Jesus Christ, didn't know this close. That's sick. Imagine this being your backyard. We're now at Anna Bay Car Wash. Unfortunately, we can't camp on the beach. First of all, it's too windy. Second of all, the booking that we made, or that we tried to make, is not acceptable. You have to do it all online and it didn't work. So we're not allowed to camp there apparently. I mean, we technically could, but no, so it kind of killed the mood. So we know for the future, but anyway, worse things have happened. I decided to think that this is a trophy truck, and I've pushed the guard, wheel has hit the guard, bottoming out, and pushed this whole guard out of whack, like full. That's, yeah, proper bent. Crimpled here. The car doesn't even have 10,000 Ks on it. So there's that. So I'm going to give it a clean. We're going to try and do some panel beating, I guess, and see what we can sort out. But we're at Anna Bay anyway. And give them a bit of a clean.